Welcome to this 30-day challenge of making social media content, and in each day I will present you with the 3 ideas along with some of the 3 remarks that will help you to create unlimited content for your social media accounts. Hi, I am Manthan Patel. I am a content creator and I started my journey in 2017, and after COVID, which is after 2021, I fully devoted my time into content creation, and I just know the recipe and the formula of how to make engaging and excitement content to let our audience keep interested and keep following us. Because trust me on it, in this social media realm, starting with quantity and consistency is your golden ticket. In this class, I have prepared a load and ton of ideas so that you can create and you can never run out of video idea from your social media accounts. And remember, every idea is just a starting point. You are the creator of your life. So I have to just beacon this lighting and you will explode like a fireworks. Here I have presented every day 3 different ideas as I have mentioned earlier, so that you can create your content accordingly to it. So I am looking forward to see you in the upcoming course. So here's your chance and don't let it slip away. Join me on this exciting 30 days of unforgettable challenge and you will see your whole another level of content creation. So I am looking forward to you in the first lecture.